Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can collect the guild biometric data for karma. So basically you will need to look around here and hold to scan it. So let's scan, and as you can see we just upload biometric data. And now we need to go to the another hot spot, and there will be a thing to scan too. So let's search it around, as you can see right here in this tunnel. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.
We're close to building a data profile. Just need one more. I'm gonna have to find one last target. Give me a few.
Send back up to the water treatment plant. Sending units by air.
Watch out for the VTOL! Mark the last target on the map. We need it if we want access to the Guild's biometric database.
Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can collect final biometric data in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So what you'll need to do is fight some guardians right here. Okay, and right here near the forklift you'll find a thing that you can scan right here. So just scan it and hold the interact button. So hold it until you scan it, and as you can see, now you collected the final biometric data in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.